Okay, today, first up on the show, artificial intelligence acceleration cloud system provider Neysa has recently raised $30 million in a Series A fundraising round. We've got Sharad Sandhi, who is the co-founder and CEO of the company, now joining in. Thank you so much for taking time out. Give us a sense as to what exactly your funds will be used towards.
$30 million will be used in three areas. We will be enhancing our AI cloud infrastructure. We'll also be using this for R&D for developing our platforms that will enable customers to scale their AI workloads on our cloud infrastructure, and also we'll use it for go-to-market.
Right, and given that the company is focused on addressing the needs of emerging markets like India, you guys are providing a lot of purpose-built AI solutions. Give us a sense as to how exactly it's working, how it's going to suit all different kinds of organizations of various sizes.
Yeah, so we are setting up purpose-built AI cloud infrastructure, and what we do is, which includes the GPUs, the servers, the networks, the storage, and then on top of that, we built multiple platforms. We first have an orchestration layer that allows clients to access and schedule the resources that he needs. Then we also have a platform that allows developers to be able to do their entire machine learning operation pipeline in an automated fashion. So they can go right from data ingestion to feature selection, to feature tuning, to model selection, to training and to inferencing. And we also have a low-code, no-code platform that allows Gen AI app building on our cloud. So this, along with the services that we provide to handhold customers, so that they can consume these workloads, and they can use the cloud infrastructure to be able to develop their Gen AI use cases. That's what Neysa provides.
And how does it work in terms of who your paying customers are? How do you plan to broaden that scope?
Yeah, so we've got contracts from research institutes, public sector research institutes. We've got contracts from startups, AI native startups, and we've also got contracts from enterprise clients in the banking and insurance sector as of now. We also have a large media vertical, that is media client, that is has built 8 use cases on our platform. We've got an insurance client that has got 22 use cases built on our platform. Unfortunately, I cannot divulge their names, but this is currently what we took this platform live in July, end of July, and in the last 3 months, we've already signed multiple clients.
Sharad, in addition to scaling technology, you guys have been strengthening collaborations as well with global system integrators. Give us a sense as to how that really is working, how you're looking to further bolster and integrate AI software providers.
Yeah, so we have already announced a partnership with NTT, where NTT is one of the leading global system integrators and data center providers in the world, and they are taking us not only reselling our services in the country, but will in the near future take us to other countries as well. We are also working with other GSIs because each one has their own strength. So there's some providers global system integrators that are very strong in the banking and financial sector, so we're partnering with them. There are some that are very strong in the healthcare sector, so we're also partnering with them. But the one that is public is NTT.
Right, and given that you guys have been described as a catalyst for digital transformation, give us a sense as to what the long-term growth plans are, where you see the company headed over the next few years.
So from a long-term perspective, the rate at which this technology is advancing, more and more, almost every vertical is using AI for. Initially, it was more for productivity enhancement. Now it is actually for doing their business, right? So we plan to participate in that, by providing the infrastructure and the platform for developers to use, but also in providing services so that people can build their use cases as this plays out. And virtually across all sectors that we've looked at, whether it's banking and finance, whether it's manufacturing, whether it's healthcare, whether it's government. I mean, if you look at the government of India has come out with the AI mission RFP, where they are enabling service providers like us to provide services to both the government departments as well as startups. So in each area, right, in every single vertical that I just mentioned, AI is going to play a very critical role. Already there are several use cases that are in production. Many of the enterprises are actually doing pilots, and very soon these will be in production. As this technology matures, as this technology improves, as the accuracy of models becomes better and better, there'll be a lot more adoption. And if it is just going to transform the way business is done. You've already started seeing early signs of this in everyday life, but this is only going to become more and more prevalent.
Good to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining in.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.